Zhuhai, baby. Zhuhai, baby. Yeah, Zhuhai, baby. It's Zhuhai, baby. Checking out Zhuhai, baby. Let's see Zhuhai, baby. Always more to see, always more places to go. Let's see what's down the street. Let's wander and meander. Yeah, Zhuhai, baby. Is Zhuhai, baby. Checking out Zhuhai, baby. Let's see Zhuhai, baby.
We're in Tangjia. We're just kind of walking around this ancient village. It's actually kind of a nice walkable pedestrian friendly area. So we're going to walk around and show it to you a little bit. There's all these little alleys everywhere. Let's put it up on the map so you can see exactly where it is, and then we're going to show you some of the cafes and restaurants and whatever we come across. So stay tuned. Up on the map. Okay, we have a little bit of Zhuhai, China for you. Let's put this right up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you were there yourself. 你好. I wish I could have caught her. I was just doing a transition. So she was just saying hello, 你好. So we're in Tangjia. We're just going to show you some of the places around here. Some of the restaurants. This one looks kind of cool. Little express places. And then you can walk up these little alleys too. All these look interesting. Okay. So you saw it up on the map. It's kind of the northern part of Zhuhai. It's actually kind of near all these universities as well. There's some duck. Yeah, and actually there's all these little shops. If I walk in here, there's a little restaurant. But I'm gonna, since I just started this video, I'm gonna get into it more. This one looks really cool up there. Some nice artwork too everywhere. Okay. So down here we have a wall. Let me see what we all got. We got, that looks like some USA references. Deer, USA, that's backwards. Happiness. Kind of cool. Green Twig Courtyard. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Yeah, that's really amazing. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going up. Then we got some more artwork up here too. It's amazing. Okay, you can see what this is. It's like a little beer hall place. Yeah, that looks cool. Let's see. You gotta make a little something. Somebody's cleaning up there, so. Okay, so we're going to keep on looking down. Yeah, that sun is getting really bright. The sun is going down. This tree has some kind of significance. Huh. I haven't signed up for it for some. It's a really beautiful tree. It's massive. It's a massive tree. Okay. Bonsai tree. Okay, we got a restaurant here. Let's see. Some different stuff. Yeah, pretty cool. Drinks. Yeah, and I think down here you just got like tons of residential stuff. It's nice because no cars can come through. These are those little Chinese, they call it like a Chinese hamburger, but it's has a name for it. Has a Chinese name, of course. I can't remember it. Ru.
我嗰啲嘢都唔好食啦。
Everybody's looking down here, but I don't know why. Oh. So it looks like they got something going on down here. There's more stuff down that way too. Let's go down this way. Oh, they got it. They're setting up a musician. They got drums. So I guess they got guitar and drums here. Very cool. Our drummer just left. So tons of restaurants here. Looks really cool. Tangjia. There's the drums again. Lots of restaurants here too. Pretty cool. Tangjia. Let's go over here. Cool. Chewy noodles. Okay. I like these balconies that are up there. This is probably to bring people down to the front gate. Yeah, I don't know how far down this goes. There's a lot of different directions that you can go here. Let's see what this one is. This one is duck. Let's go check this artwork out over here. Oh, it's kind of like a centaur. It's funny, some of the fusion of Western stuff. These two. wonder if it's Xinjiang restaurant. Probably not. But it almost looks like a little bit like Muslim-ish. Okay. So we're definitely giving you an idea of what Tangjia looks like. I hope this place never becomes too popular. It's like so perfect the way it is. And it'd be a shame if it was just like filled with tourists everywhere. I'm gonna order this one in a little bit. I love Thai tea. Check this out. It's really cool. Cafe Cat Casual. Cat Lane. Looks really cool. This one says Macau and it says bar. Get all the Macau beers. And a guitar as well, so you can actually sit outside. Huh. That looks cool. And it looks like we also got a little place. Hello. It looks like you can also go up into that park up there too. Pretty cool. So I think this is going to come to an end. I can see a car way down there. It looks like there's some lights on. There's hardly anybody there. So I think we're going to turn around. And kind of what I want to do. Just so you know, this isn't all of Tangjia. This is a slice of Tangjia. So the village is larger than what I'm showing you, but I don't want to show for 20 or 30 minutes. I just want to show for this guy's always looking at me. But I just want to show just for a taste of it, so you can just get an idea of what it's like. And what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to go to this little Thai place. I'm going to get some Thai tea and I'm going to sit outside. Check this out. So much cool stuff everywhere around here. It's beautiful. Okay. So I'm gonna sit right here, drink some Thai iced tea if they're there.